In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send PDF file in WhatsApp. So first, open up your WhatsApp app on your phone and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then next is go to the message or contact where you want to send the PDF file. Once inside, click on the clip icon beside message. Then next is click on document. So here you can click on Browse Documents for you to be able to see your saved PDF file on your Files folder. Then next is select the PDF file you would like to add. You can also add a caption if you want. Then next is click on the Send button. And instantly your PDF file will be sent to that specific contact. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!